to.
Dalawang kilong maliit.
Set siniguelas. First time ni Set kakain ng siniguelas. We'll see what's the Set reaction. We'll keep some for kuya ha. Tomorrow we'll buy again if you like it. See? Hindi pa nakatikim nito si Set eh. Oh, Set, baby. The red one, baby, that is already ripe. With the green, no, not that much ripe. I want this not that much. But the ripe one is soft. Come, taste. Siniguelas.
If I spit it out.
Then we have salt. Taste natin. Asin. Asin ko. Sarap. Taste na. Sit down, baby, when you're eating. Taste. Tingnan natin kung gusto ba ni Setan siniguela. You're tasting the salt.
Buy more.
You like? Yummy, no? We'll buy more.
I will eat even the skin.
Yeah, only you will not eat only this one, the seed.
It's like an apple.
Yummy, no? Gusto ni Seth siniguelas. O, picturean kita kasi gusto mo,
It doesn't do one.
Smile! Kain tayo! Ano natin sa asin? When I am, before when I am small, we are doing like this, Here, put the salt. Doing like this, Make sure your hands is clean. See? Putting like this. Dito make it not basa kasi.
You're like that sitting in your house eating.
Sitting under the tree.
At the house, at your house.
Sarap.
Ma, let's let's get daddy with adobo, but it is balot.
Adobong balot. Hindi kasi kumakain ng balot ng daddy niya. Pero si Laset kumakain. Lalo na si Seth.
Takot si daddy kumain.
Ngayon, adobohin daw namin yung balot.
Or you can put it inside daddy's paratha.
We will make balot shawarma.
Oh.
Hala. Daddy, si Seth, is scheming.
What is skimming?
Is planning something for you, daddy. Hindi pa ripe ng mga green. Dapat pala dinamihan ko nung bibi. Yung may red. Hindi pa kasi ripe tong ang daming green, Mostly green. Ganayan sana,